One up there. What's that?
The purple. The pale one.
Clapping.
There, I don't like this flavor.
Thank
Is there another one? I want the orange. Yep.
Thank you.
Wow. Come inside. Come in. What do you want? Okay.
All of them.
No. Nice. You want me to eat this? Pop fun. My fun. My fun. Sushi.
Annoying.
Sushi.
Oh, the same thing? Oh, God. You lied about the CO2.
103 pounds. Let's sit on someone. No. And exercise. We're children of the future. Let's go. 5 minutes. Nikki,
We had like 9 people.
yeah, I mean like 10 people. Hey, girl, come on. Yeah, throw in some of the ice cream. Yeah. Or a couple.
Don't kill my knees.
He's not gonna kill your knees,
Oh,
he's
let's
gonna kill
sit on
your
it.
kids.
Oh, yes, let's put the thing.
Oh, the
I'm gonna take Gabby quickly his leg. I'm gonna
Basketball.
A.M., right? I'm an Asian dude. I want to go there. I don't Asian thing that's right.
Now, before you change the channel, please listen to what we have to say.
Today, we are showing this amazing dish with built-in stainless steel lights. These stainless steel lights are moisture-proof so that none of your sauces can get in and break them.
And in case you have any backyard guests from outside, anti-insects can't get inside your Thanksgiving dinner.
And did you know that in medieval times, the large castles had high walls so outsiders couldn't just barge in?
And like this pan is very special. See, there's no holes, nothing. So if there's water or anything leaking, it will not spill out and it will just stay in the box.
Also, the sauce doesn't run from your turkey out of the box.
Hi, my name is Bob. I have used this pan for 10 years and it's been the best pan ever.
No!
Bye!
To the stocks. People can throw rotten vegetables at people accused of serious crimes such as stealing and murder would be hanged with its state, but again, feel that. Right, Molite.
This is the floor plan of our beautiful house. It is so big and comfortable and roomy and comfortable and big. Oh no! No!
That's where you're back here.
And I throw fruit skins.
Other things you could put if everyone enjoys it. When was the last time I saw you? Patience can only last so long, it has been longer.
My mother is planning on having a celebration for my father's birthday. Our friendship absolutely will not be any different, and the outcome of this situation will make no difference in our lives. Thank you for being a letter on the field paper in my own script. My father, Lord of Italy, Ashkenazi Trill, has demanded.
Okay, now Mariana shall marry Sean. It's getting late.
Here, this is a document signed by the counterfeiters that proves that if I don't have it, I'm the money lender.
here, here, or here. And then when I here.
Don't put me up there. Don't put me up there. Don't put me up there. Watch your
Take my daughter!
The guards took them to the governor who questioned them. Large crowds gathered in the central plaza of the city to watch the outcome.
As a waste. Three lances was given to a knight if you were able to knock an opponent off his horse. And not only would you knock his horse, you would win with 3 lances, but you would also be privileged enough to take their weapons and their lance and their horse.
Okay, all right, we need some more people, shorter people kneeling behind these people, or tall people kneeling behind these people. Okay, this next row behind here, kneel down.
我们是8年级中文2的学生，我们要唱《云上太阳》。 Thank you.